Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to log in into Enthral AI account. So guys, search on Google on your device Enthral AI and click on the first result. Guys, as you can see here, this is official website, and click on request demo. After click on request demo, you have the first name and last name and business email and phone number. Click on your first name and the last name and business email and click on choose the country and click on campaign head count, as you can see here 10k, and click on request demo just here and click on email business, guys, and click on request demo. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you another video soon. Keep watching, guys.